Buenos días y bienvenidas a la última semana del curso. So welcome to week 6. This will be our last week. Okay, and it will encompass not just this Monday through Sunday, but it will include the following Monday and Tuesday as well. Okay, so as always, you should be watching the Vista General Semana 6 video, which I will post here as soon as I'm done. And you will notice that the objetivos y metas are much shorter. So we're going to finish capítulo 5, and you'll be able to make comparisons of people, places, and things using a variety of different structures. We'll also, on the very last day, have the final oral exam, and you need to complete the course evaluation on My ASU. So, be watching the Vista General in the textbook. You'll be working on MSL activities. You'll take the quiz on MSL, and that'll be due on that Sunday, June 24th. You'll turn in your second language and cultural contact presentation on June 20th. You'll study for the oral exam. You'll complete the course evaluation form found in My ASU. There will be a quiz on Blackboard that will be due June 24th. And by June 25th, you want to have listened to and watched 2 presentations of your classmates and comment upon them. And there's no dialogues this week. You'll be preparing for the final oral exam. Okay, so if you have not yet signed up, please do so. Here is the link. Okay. The lista de tareas. Okay, we're going to be covering pages 153 through 160. And I have, again, as always, the detailed plan here, as well as a link here to download a Word document to help you stay on track with your assignments. You'll complete and turn in your second language and cultural contact presentation by June 20th. And I apologize, I think that should actually read Wednesday. So I will change that. Okay, let me scroll up one moment. Yes, Wednesday, June 20th. Okay. Complete the course evaluation on My ASU. There'll be an MSL, My Spanish Lab quiz, due June 24th, that's Sunday, as well as a quiz in Blackboard over the Vital Signs Part 2, also June 24th. For June 25th, you'll have viewed 2 of your classmates' presentations and make comments upon them. You did a very good job with the first presentation. And you'll complete the course evaluation on My ASU if you have not yet done so. So the first thing up then next is the quiz. And if I click on that link, here again, you'll have a video. And this is Los Signos Vitales, número 2, parte 2. Okay. So you're going to learn the vocabulary, and when you're ready, before the 24th, you will click here to take the quiz. Okay. You will be given 15 minutes to complete it. You'll be given 10 expressions in English, and you will type in the translation in Spanish. Okay. Next up was the language, cultural, and contact presentation. No different than the first one. So here we have, again, an overview of what it consists of. And here's the link to upload your YouTube link to your presentation. And the best way to create this would be to do a screencastify or screencast-o-matic of your PowerPoint with you speaking while showing your PowerPoint, and you can upload that directly to your YouTube account and put the link for the YouTube account right in here. And it will be due by Wednesday, June 20th at 11:59 p.m. So again, I will change this where it does read Wednesday. Okay? And again, here was an example of how to, of a good presentation, but you want to make sure you keep it in the 5 to 7 minute range. Okay? And then when you're ready, when people have uploaded their links, you'll be able to see the links here, and you'll be able to watch them and comment on them. When you comment on the links, you want to talk about what you liked about the presentation, what you think could be improved, and what did you learn about it. Next, then, we have the final oral exam instructions. So the setup is no different than it was at midterm time. Okay? You'll connect with me using Adobe Connect, making sure that your calendar is set to Arizona time, and making sure your webcam is working, as well as your microphone. Okay? The first part is going to be vocabulary again, and it will be the vital signs parts 1 and 2. I'll ask you 10 of those expressions or words, or I'll give them to you in English. You'll tell me the Spanish. Okay? And then the second part will be a role play. Okay? And it will be one of the dialogues that you've had in the last couple of weeks, from weeks 4 and 5. So it'll cover dialogues 5 through 8, so you can have a chance to review those. Okay? And finally, we have the recursos. When I click on recursos, okay, I see that there's un ejemplo de un diálogo. So here's an example, okay, of a dialogue. Here's some information on reflexive verbs, information on ser and estar, on speaking on the phone, and then using direct and indirect objects together. If you need a review on your formal commands or adverbs. And then this week we're focusing on comparisons. So here you have comparisons of equality, things that are the same, like just as tall as or just as much as. Comparisons of inequality, like more than, less than, better than, worse than. And superlatives, like the tallest, the smallest. Okay? And those are the recursos. So as always, please let me know if you have any questions. I will make the changes. June 20th is correct, but it actually falls on a Wednesday and not a Tuesday, so I will make those changes in the appropriate places. And let me know if you have any questions. Gracias.